Hey everyone! Today, we're going to show you a quick and easy way to extend short wires using fast wire connectors. If you're working on a project and you find that your wires are just a bit too short, don't worry, we're here to help. So, let's get started. Using your wire strippers, strip about ½ inch of insulation from the ends of both the short wire and the extension wire. Make sure to use the correct gauge setting on your wire strippers for the best results. Now that our wires are prepared, it's time to connect them using the fast wire connectors. We will use these fast wire connectors for extending our cables. You can find it with many variations from 2-wire to 5-wire connectors. We will use 2-wire connectors for our application. Put the buttons up. You will hear the click sound. Insert the stripped end of the short wire into one side of the fast wire connector. Put the button down. Insert the stripped end of the extension wire into the other side of the connector. Do the same with a button. This ensures a secure connection between the wires. Do the same for the other wires. Remember to always follow safety precautions when working with electrical wires and consult a professional if you're unsure about any steps. And that's it. Your wires are now extended and securely connected. You've successfully extended your short wires using fast wire connectors. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips and tricks.